Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Today's video, we're just going to be taking a look at the Albizia julibrissin, or Persian Silk Tree. You may have seen on the previous video that B&M now sell these. So these were coming in at just £32.50 as in a 10-liter pot. And you can see here, this one does appear to have sort of two, or branching at the bottom here. Now with this particular plant, so this is your, again, Persian Silk Tree or Mimosa. Now these are typically native to sort of southeastern Asia, places like that, and they are hardy down to around about -10 degrees C. But what we'll do is we'll take a look at the root system that you do get with these. Now interestingly, I know in some parts of the United States these are considered sort of invasive. Now, with these particular trees, as you can see here, it does give you a lovely kind of almost fern-like kind of frond on this. Now, it is not an evergreen plant necessarily. I mean, you may get it through in our winters with minimal damage, but typically this is going to be a deciduous tree here. So getting sort of new leaves. It does really need the heat to get going. Now, really planting-wise, ideally if you can plant in full sun, that is going to help to get the flowers out. Now you can see on this one here, it did have a flower in store, but it has fallen off. Now these don't appear to have been fully watered yet. Sorry, I'm trying to, there we go. Catch it there. You can see those little kind of balls moving around there. Apologies, it's a very windy day today. I'm here in the garden. But as you can see, with this, it must have, I'm assuming, greenhouse grown. It does look like the label says an import from Spain. So with that said, again guys, I think you're going to find most of the stuff we get in B&M is going to be typically from sort of Netherlands or Spain, somewhere like that, where it is going to be grown in a greenhouse really to get maximum growth before they put it out to us. So one thing to bear in mind when you do get certain plants, it may be worth hardening them off in some ways, keeping it in a slight bit of shade for perhaps a week or two before putting it into full sun. Now these ones were in full sun at the shop, and it does appear, again, they've been there for a few days now, so I'm pretty confident I can get this planted out in full sun pretty much straight away. Now with that said, growth wise, these can go anywhere between sort of 4 to 8 meters tall with around about a kind of 2-meter spread. And again, with that said, as mentioned, with the heat needing to get going, there is the chance that these may not even get kind of any new leaves out till kind of June time, when it really kind of heats up there. But what we'll do now, I'll just get it out the pot. Let's take a look at the root system that comes with the plant as you get it from the shop. All right, so with that out of the pot, you can just see quite a nice bit of root system there. Does look somewhat pot bound. Again, I'm guessing these have been in pot for some time. Let's just take a look underneath. If you can just see, yeah, absolutely. Loads of roots on there. Now with these as well, I can tell here the sort of compost that it's in is fairly compacted. So I would really suggest, if you do get these, putting it in almost like a pot of water, fully soak it down before you plant it into the hole. Now these do like a more sort of well-drained soil, so you want to ensure that wherever you are planting it is going to drain quite quickly. And watering wise, really going to want to give them a good soak in at least once a week during the summer months as well. What we'll do is also get this one planted in just so you can see where it's going in the garden, but just wanted to show you that here. As I say, it's always nice when you get a plant and it has been in the pot and rooted well. Just good signs that it will start to take off when it gets into the ground there. Right, so just to show you here, I think we're going to be planting it where this iris clump is. You may have seen in some of my previous videos that we've been considering something to go here, and I think this could be a nice sort of touch here. We'll get a little bit of protection from the palms and things next to it, but it is in full sun and in our sort of top display bed here. What I'm going to do is dig out the iris, whack the iris in a pot. If anybody's interested in that iris, it's absolutely free to you. Certainly let me know. But again, we're going to get that out and get this one in its place. Alright, so you can see that's gone in right off the top bed here next to the tree fern. I like the kind of contrasting foliage we're getting there. You can just see as well, doesn't really matter, but planted it flower side out for now. Hopefully the existing buds on there are going to flower this year. We'll just have to kind of see how it grows in next year. Just to show you as well, iris has come out into the full pot there. So again, anybody interested in that, please let me know. It's yours for free. But yeah, with that said guys, would I recommend the Persian Silk Trees from B&M. And for me personally, guys, I think it's one that adds a nice kind of touch of foliage in the garden. Again, very nice interest with the flowers. I'll see if I can put a picture of the flowers up on screen now for you. Again, just another sort of interest in the garden. I'm probably going to get one more for the jungle area. I think it would go nicely with some of the tree ferns over there as well. But with that said, the last part of our garden tour for June will be coming out soon, so keep an eye out for that. Of course, if you haven't caught some of the most recent videos, certainly check the channel, guys. Lots coming out all the time. If you haven't checked out the friends of the channel, be in the comment section below. And of course, if you have not subscribed, feel free to join our amazing community. Of course, try and let you guys know first as soon as I can whenever new stuff comes in B&M, or we've got new tropicals. Also as well, going to be doing some more sort of specific plant videos throughout the year as well. So if there's anything you guys would like information on, or a particular plant you'd like to know more about, put it down in the comment section below and we'll see if we can put together a video for you. But of course, with that said, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.